Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going to be reviewing ZoomBucks, earn free money and gift cards. This is a website that you sign up for, you do surveys, you watch TV, you do offers, and supposedly you earn money. Now I'm going to go over, does this work? Is it a scam? Is it worth your time? And is there a better alternative out there for you? So starting off, you go to the website, you sign up. How it works, right? So brands want engagement. We recruit members, you do online action, which translates to Google Play, Roblox, PlayStation, Windows, PayPal, Amazon, Clash of Clans, Minecraft, Steam, Xbox, all these gift cards that you could do. They have testimonials here, right? They have cash outs, how many people have cash out recently, right? So there's $3, $20, right? So they have a lot of different cash outs. There's a live feed over here showing what people have done with surveys, okay? So this website does actually pay out. It is a legitimate website. It does pay, but that doesn't mean it's worth your time. So in terms of payment, if you invest probably 2 hours a day into this website, you will probably make $4 to $5 a day. Okay, now I don't know about you, but that does not sound like a lot of money. Okay, maybe if you're in a country with a very low cost of living, this might be worth it for you, but in my opinion, it's not. And I think there's a better option out there, and that option is building your own affiliate marketing business. Okay, now I have a link in the description. All right, there's a link right down below that will link you to a 0 to 100 affiliate marketing program that will show you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to drive traffic, how to make money, how to convert sales, right? How to build an email list. Anything that you need to know about affiliate marketing is in that program. If you're wondering, hey, what's affiliate marketing? Check out the program. It will explain everything to you. Now, with affiliate marketing, the reason why I like that over this, one, you can make a lot more money. There's people making $400, $500, $600 a day doing affiliate marketing, only working a few hours, okay? There's people even making thousands of dollars a day doing affiliate marketing. All right. There's a lot of money in affiliate marketing versus paid surveys. And another big reason why I like affiliate marketing more, it's scalable. This is not scalable. The most you're going to make on this is like $4 or $5 a day. That's if you really go hard on it. Okay. Now, again, if that sounds good to you, great. Maybe you give it a try. But if $4 or $5 a day, $4 or $5 does, you're like, what? Why would I waste my time doing that? If that's not enough money for you, definitely check out affiliate marketing using the program in the description, because that will basically show you how to actually make real money, actual bill paying money, because you're not going to pay your bills at $5 a day. Maybe you pay your, cell phone bill, but you're not going to make significant money doing paid surveys. You're just not. So if you want to actually make substantial money online, I would definitely check out the course in the description, the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program, because that way you don't have to worry about working on some website doing boring survey after boring survey. Instead, you take the course, you learn it, and you start making your money. So definitely check out the program in the description. Overall, I would give ZoomBucks a 3 out of 5 stars. It's not a scam. It works. It pays, but it doesn't pay enough to where I don't really think it's worth it for most people. For 90% of people, I don't think it's worth it. And yeah, that's just my opinion. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is this worth it for you? Have you had a good experience with this? Because I haven't had an okay experience. It's paid okay. The reviews are okay, but it's not enough money to where I'm like, I could recommend like, oh, go do ZoomBucks. No, go build your own business so you can actually build a fortune and really, really live that internet lifestyle where you don't have to go to that 9-to-5 job anymore. Check out affiliate marketing program in the description, guys. 3 out of 5 stars for ZoomBucks. I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will catch you next time.